Everyone quoted the same number this week, 14 cents per million tokens. That's the number in every headline about DeepSeek's new model. It's the wrong number. The one that matters is 0.0028, also per million. Same model, same request, on the same day, 50 times apart. And which one you pay isn't DeepSeek's decision, it's yours. July 31st, DeepSeek released V4 Flash 0731. Waits on Hugging Face, MIT licensed. You can download it and run it. It's a mixture of experts model, 304 billion parameters, 1 million tokens of context, up to 384,000 tokens of output. And here's the line from their own model card that should stop you. It beats DeepSeek's own V4 Pro preview on benchmarks, with far fewer parameters actually switched on per token, the small one won. Here's DeepSeek's actual published pricing. Input, cache miss, 14 cents per million. Input, cache hit, 0.0028. Output, 28 cents per million. Now, be honest about what that 50x covers. It's input only. Your output tokens cost the same either way. So if you're generating long answers from short prompts, this changes almost nothing for you. But if you're running an agent, a big system prompt, a pile of tools, a long file resent every single turn, then input is your bill. And that's the case where 50x is the whole game. A cache hit isn't a discount you apply for. It's a physical fact about your request. The model caches the prefix of your prompt. Next request, it compares from the very first token forward. Everything that matches byte for byte is a hit and costs you a 50th. The moment one token differs, the match stops. Everything from that point on is a miss at full price. So it's not, did I reuse my prompt? It's, how far in does my prompt stay identical? Which gives you one rule: stable first, variable last. Your system prompt, your tool definitions, your schema, the document you keep referring to, all of that is identical every turn. It goes at the top. The user's new message, the timestamp, the retrieved chunk that changed, those go at the bottom. Same tokens, same model, same answer. One ordering pays full price on all of it, and the other pays a 50th on everything above the line. That's it. That's the whole trick. 4 ways people destroy their own cache without noticing. 1. A timestamp at the top. Current time in line 1 means token 1 differs every single call. You never get a hit, not once. 2. Reordered tools. If your tool list serializes in a different order between runs, the prefix changes. Sort it. 3. A system prompt you're still editing. Every tweak resets the cache for everyone hitting it. 4. User content above the stable block. One personalized greeting at the top, and everything below it is a miss. All 4 are the same mistake. Something that changes, sitting above something that doesn't. One more thing that's coming, straight from their pricing page. DeepSeek is moving to peak and off-peak pricing. During peak, prices are double. Peak is 9 to 12 and 2 to 6 Beijing time. If you're running batch jobs, evals, backfills, bulk summarization, nothing about that work cares what time it runs. Move it outside those windows and you have it. Cache is what you send. This is when you send it. Worth knowing the other model exists. V4 Pro, 43.5 cents per million in, 87 cents out. So Flash is about 3 times cheaper on both, and it's the one that beat the Pro preview on benchmarks. Default to Flash. Reach for Pro when you've actually measured a task Flash fails, not before. So, 14 cents is the headline. 0.0028 is the number you're actually playing for. Put the stable stuff first. Keep the timestamp out of line 1. Sort your tools. Run batch work off peak. And if this made sense, the context engineering video is the one that explains why your prompt is shaped that way in the first place. It's on screen now.